to start with P block elements in score 90 plus series important question. So this will be a last inorganic in lesson in inorganic, the general process of isolation elements we will see at last. Then we will move to physics. So in 3 marks, 100% fixed as usual province there. That is 3 process: Haber's process, Ostwald process, and contact process. So see in Haber's process, no. See Haber's process. This diagram carry 1.5 marks. See, I have given a simpler diagram. Simple diagram. If you do this diagram also, it will give this 1.5 marks, because in NCERT, what is there in NCERT, it is difficult. But this is a simpler diagram. So here N2 see, you see the reaction. With the reaction we can draw the diagram. See, N2 gas plus H2 gas. It is see, if you write only this much, no, you will get only 2 marks. Why sir, for 2 or 3 marks we are getting only 2? Wait, I'll explain. See, first N2 plus H2, when it's passed, no, it will go to the compressor chamber. Mixture at what condition? For the 200 atm. 200 atm. What is atm when you convert it into Kelvin? It is 700 Kelvin. In 700 Kelvin, it goes to the compressor chamber. Then it is passed to the reactor in presence of catalyst. Fe2O3 is a catalyst. Al2O3 is a promoter. See, I told you 700 Kelvin. Then this is passed to the cooling chamber and liquid ammonia is obtained. This is a recycler. What is this? This is a this tube is there. It is also named as recycler. Recycler. See, this diagram carries 1 marks if you label all this. But if you write only this equation, no, you will get only 2 marks. Then what and all you need to write? See, I will say what and all you need to write. So first thing, you explain what is there in what I explain. Now explain in words. Then you write some points. What and all points you should write? See, you should write conditions. You mention as conditions. Condition is 700 Kelvin or 200 atm. First you write about temperature, 700 Kelvin or 200 atm. Then you should write Fe is catalyst and Al2O3 is promoted. See, Fe is catalyst. Fe or FeO, this is catalyst, and Al2O3 is promoted. See, Al3O3 plus K2O is the promoter. That you have to write. Then you have to draw this diagram. If you do this, no, guarantee you will get this 3 marks. But if you draw only this diagram and only this equation, you will get only 2 marks. But what I am saying, you should write condition 700 Kelvin, 200 atm, Fe catalyst, and Al2O3 plus K2O as promoters. This and all you mention small things. Then explain. If you write these conditions and this equation, you will get 3 marks. But to be on safer side, you explain what is that. What is this process also, you explain. So that you will get 1.5 marks here, 1.5 marks here. Then totally with merging this two, you will get 3 marks. Totally merging this two, how much marks you will get? You will get a 3 marks. Next we will go to Ostwald process. See, Ostwald process, no, I think this equation is not correct. Equation is correct, but you should write 9 bar here. Temperature you mentioned 9 bar. In catalyst, what are the catalysts? Platinum or platinum slash RH. These two catalysts to write clash. This is clash RH. See, you should listen to the video. You should not just take screenshot. See, this much. This is the important condition in Ostwald product. 9 bar and these two catalysts are important. Platinum slash RH. These two are important. This much if you write this 3 step. Each step carries 1 marks. Then you will get 3 marks. 1, 1, and 1. See, this each step carries 1 marks, but don't forget this. If you forget this, you will get only 2.5 marks. 2.5. If you forget what? If you did not write this, you will get only 2.5. If you did not write what? 9 bar or platinum slash RH. Next we will go to the contact process. Next is what process? Contact process. Say contact process, everything is mentioned clearly. S plus O2 gives rise to SO2. Then SO2 plus O2 treated in V2O5 or KO2 in 450 give rise to 2 SO3. SO3 treated with H2SO4, it gives rise to oleum, H2S2O7. See, oleum is, this is only oleum, H2S2O7. This dilution tank, it is not important. It is not important. This carries 1 marks. This carries 1 more marks. And last step carries 1 mark. That dilution tank, if you want to write, some people will mention that, but if you want to write, or else you can omit it out. Then see, in 2 marks, that you have one surprise, that for 2 marks and 1 marks, no, they'll ask 18th group elements only. See, for 2 marks and 1 marks, they'll ask only 18th group element. See, these are the two topics of 18th group. 18th group structure they'll ask, or general property, electronic ionization, atomic radius of everything of 18th group. Similarly, for 1 mark also they'll ask from 18th group. From 18th group they'll ask complete the reaction, structure of some compound, everything from 18th group. So 18th group element is important for 2 marks and 1 marks. Which group? 18th group. See, I am writing it huge so that you should not miss that 18th group. So we covered almost full chemistry successfully. So we'll go with physics, then with maths. I'll catch up with next video. Until keep revising.